Affiliate marketing with Digistore24? What's that? Let's start from the basics. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way for people to earn money by promoting products or services from a company or a seller in general. When someone promotes these products and a sale is made because of their promotion, they get a commission, which is like a reward for their effort in bringing in customers. It's like spreading the word about something you like, and when others buy it based on your recommendation, you get a little something in return. Unfortunately, most people who try affiliate marketing are doing it the wrong way. They put their links in places where no one is going to look and click them, the promotion is not being done correctly, they are not using the tips we are about to show you. If you want to earn money with affiliate marketing, you need to provide value and help people properly. You can do this by using some helpful tips that we will talk about in this video, so be sure to watch till the end to not miss some bonus secret tips that not many people know about. Why should you choose Digistore24? While there are other affiliate marketplaces out there, like clickbank.com or individual affiliate programs, there are a couple of reasons why we suggest giving Digistore24 a chance. Reason number 1. There are lots of different products to promote in various areas and niches. Reason number 2. There are tons of digital products to promote. This is important if you want to do affiliate marketing because when you make a sale, the person who made the product doesn't have to pay money for sending and delivering the product. This means both the person who made the product and you, the affiliate, get more money. Reason number 3. It works all over the world. This means you can join affiliate programs from almost any place on the planet. Reason number 4. You can get your money in different ways. They can send it right to your bank or to your PayPal account. Reason number 5. Digistore24 pays you every week. And reason number 6. They use special cookies that last for 180 days. Other affiliate programs usually have cookies that only stay for 30 to 60 days. This is important because if someone clicks your link and buys something within 180 days, you will still earn a commission as an affiliate. And now we are going to show you some simple steps on how to make money with affiliate marketing the right way using Digistore24. Step 1. Sign up for an account. To do this, just go to digistore24.com and click the Register Now button. Fill in your details and what you will add to public username will be your Digistore24 ID. This ID is really important because it works as your personal tag. This way, when you make a sale, Digistore24 will understand that the sale was made by you and it should send you the commission. In the What is your main source of revenue section, select I am an affiliate. I primarily promote the products of other vendors. If you want to see later what Digistore24 looks like from a vendor's perspective, don't worry. You can click anytime on vendor view at the top left of the main page after you connect to your Digistore24 account. After you sign up, you will see at the top left your Digistore24 ID. You can also see it by selecting Account and then Details, where it says Digistore24 ID, and edit it if you want to. Step 2. Set up a payout account. This is how you are going to get paid from Digistore24. To do this, log in into your Digistore24 account, go to Account, choose Payout Account, and then fill in all the required information. The cool thing here is that you can choose how many payouts per month you want to receive, 1, 2 or 4, your preferred payout threshold, which is the amount you have to make with sales for Digistore to send the money to your account, and of course how you want to get paid. The options are PayPal, SEPA bank transfer and international bank transfer. Step 3. Choose your niche and product. To do this, click Marketplace at the top of the website. Usually, the most demanded niches are health, wealth, happiness, relationship, and travel. The reason why these niches are so popular is that people are looking for solutions for their problems in these niches. Note: now if you have found a product to promote, you need to click the Promote Now button and copy the affiliate link. Make sure your affiliate ID in Digistore24 is in the link so you will receive your commission. That's why we suggested checking it out earlier, so you remember and place it there to ensure you receive your commission. Step 4. Generate your links. These are the links that you promote. To do that, you can also go to Digistore24, click Account, and then click on Affiliate Partnerships. Now go to the product you choose to promote and click on the pencil icon next to it. There you will find the promo link that you are going to give to people. Just don't forget to place the affiliate with your affiliate ID in case it's not already there. Before we get to the next step, it is time to test the affiliate link just to make sure it is working properly. All you have to do is open your link in an incognito window in your browser and proceed to the checkout page just like you're buying the product for yourself. Now, just scroll down to the bottom of the checkout page and look in the bottom right corner. If you see your affiliate ID, that means your affiliate link works and you are ready to go. Step 5. Choose your traffic source. There are two types of traffic sources, free and paid. Each one has its advantages and disadvantages, so you should do your research before deciding which one to choose. To give you a head start, we will show you the best 3 free and best 3 paid traffic sources. Let's see the free ones first. We have YouTube, Instagram, and blog. But before we explain these 3 sources, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're receiving value from our content. YouTube is in the first place for 2 reasons. The first one is that YouTube is widespread, with over 2.5 billion active monthly users, which means that you can reach a really big amount of people from all over the world. The second reason is that YouTube does a great job of promoting your videos. It even promotes all the videos you have made, even months or years ago, generating even more traffic. The best part is that you can benefit from this platform for free. All you have to do is to make YouTube videos to promote your affiliate links. Of course, you have to make videos that have to do with the product you are promoting to maximize your profits. For example, if you are promoting tech products, it could be a great idea to make unboxing and review videos about them. We will be releasing a free YouTube course consisting of a 6-video series explaining the best niches to choose from, the secret for fast growth on YouTube, 6 monetization methods you can include in your channel, and the complete guide of the whole process. So be sure to check out the links in the description if you are interested. In the second place, we have Instagram. To utilize Instagram to its fullest potential, consider creating a specialized Instagram profile where your affiliate link is included in your bio. Upload content that is similar to other successful Instagram posts. To achieve this, go to the Explore page and the hashtag section, search for your specific niche and observe the characteristics of the top posts that appear. Once you have a good understanding of what successful content looks like in your niche, you can begin creating similar content. Using appropriate hashtags and even purchasing paid shoutouts from influencers that upload similar content through platforms like shoutcard.com, you can greatly increase your reach and drive a huge amount of traffic to your affiliate links. In the third place, we have blogs. You can set up a good blog with the help of websites like WordPress.com. Also, using Ubersuggest.com, you can find many ideas to write articles about. Make sure to write about subjects that lots of people are searching for and not many others are writing about. Now, let's have a look at the paid traffic sources. We have YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads. The good thing about YouTube ads is that you can expect great returns from your initial investment. Also, there are different kinds of YouTube ads, but the most effective are retargeting ads. This involves showing advertisements to your viewers and subscribers from your YouTube channel even after they've watched one of your videos. These ads continue to appear for an extended time, reminding them about your content. We also have placement ads. You choose specific YouTube videos or channels where you want your ads to appear. So, when you watch one of these videos, the ad might pop up before or during it. To do that effectively, choose videos or channels that show content similar to your niche. Then, we have keyword-based ads. This is about using special words to match ads with what you're watching or searching for on YouTube. To understanding better, here is an example. If you're watching a video about cooking and an advertiser wants to show an ad about kitchen tools, they use cooking-related keywords. This way, their ad might show up next to the cooking video because they know people who like cooking could also be interested in their kitchen tools. Facebook and Instagram ads are great paid tools too. We always want to be honest with you, so unfortunately we don't have experience with these in Make Money Moves. We know though that they have the potential to generate a lot of traffic, so be sure to check them out too. Step 6. Analyze and optimize based on what's working. Once you have seen which traffic source is generating the most traffic and sales, it's time to make that source even better. To do that, you can use Digistore's campaign key links, as they are called. As you saw in step 4, the end of the link has the word campaign key. Just replace the campaign key with the words you want. Don't worry if you don't understand, we will give you an example in a moment. This allows you to make separate plans for each way people find your product, like for example YouTube ads, Instagram ads, or Facebook ads. So, if we want to track the above ways, we can replace the campaign key in the links like this. Link with the words YouTube ads at the end, link with the words Insta ads at the end, and link with the words Facebook ads at the end. Then, in Digistore 24 Analytics, you can see which traffic source is making the most sales, and this will help you know where to put more effort. Now, it is time to show you some bonus secret tips that can make a difference in the world of affiliate marketing. Bonus secret tip 1. Make a bridge page. A bridge page is like a helpful middle step between clicking on an ad or link and going to the main website or offer. It's a page that gives you more information, warms you up, and gets you ready before you see the main stuff. Some people use bridge pages to collect the emails of those who click on the ad or link. This way, they can send them emails about offers, new products, services, etc. in the future and make more sales as a result because they know that these people are interested in this topic. Bonus secret tip 2. Shorten your links. Shortening your links is like making a long web address shorter. This is good for a few reasons. It's easy to share. Shortened links are simple and quick to share, especially on social media, chats, or emails. They look tidy, professional, and don't take up much space. On some platforms, you have a limited number of characters to use, so short links help you save space. Tracking is another reason to use them. Some link shorteners also give you extra benefits, like tracking how many people clicked on your link. This can help you know if your link is being used and how popular it is. Some good link shortener websites are rebrandly.com and bitly.com. Bonus secret tip 3. Become a vendor yourself. Many people who do affiliate marketing often overlook this, as it can make you a good amount of money. The cool thing about being a vendor on Digistore 24 is that people can join Digistore 24 and then help sell your product as affiliates. This brings in lots of people who can spread the word about your products for free. It might be a bit more work compared to just promoting other people's products, but the rewards can be big, especially if your products are really helpful and provide true value. So, if you know a lot about something or can create something, then consider giving it a try. You don't have to be the best at it, just 1% better than others. Always remember that. Bonus secret tip 4. Make a free Facebook group. Make a Facebook group about the product you're selling as an affiliate. The important part is getting people to join. Start by joining other groups on Facebook that are similar to what you're talking about, help them by answering questions or commenting on their posts, and over time, people might add you as a friend and visit your profile. Make sure your profile looks good and professional, and put a picture on the top with a message like "Join my free group" and a link to your group. When you have some members, Facebook will help get more people to join by promoting your group for you. You can share useful things in your group, like posts or special offers for what you are selling, to get more people interested and generate more traffic. And that's where it all begins. Now check out this video to see some other great ways to make money online, make your time valuable, make your own money moves.